What's up everyone and welcome. In this episode we are going to discuss the new version of the FluBot Android banking Trojan. This new version comes souped up with new features to steal your credentials and your money, including getting your contacts to spread itself to your contacts, reloading its injection process, as well as overlays so you don't even see it at work while it steals your information, and much, much more. Let's see what else we can learn to protect ourselves and others from this story.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
FluBot has now become an expert in stealing credentials by displaying overlay login forms against many bank apps worldwide. A new and improved version of the FluBot Android virus that spreads posed as a Flash Player has been discovered by F5 security experts. When the CSIRT KNF spotted FluBot, it was asking different users to open a link to a specific video. It redirects users to a malicious Flash Player APK that installs the FluBot virus on Android devices when they click on the link. Until late 2020, FluBot was mostly aiming at Spanish users. Now, several European countries as well as Japan have been targeted with its malicious code since March 2021. Congratulations! You're doing a great job by wanting to learn about the FluBot malware threat and by watching my episode about it. I appreciate your support. If you think I can improve on anything or just want to say hi, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I do look forward to reading your comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and smash the bell to be notified when I upload new episodes where I give you insights into the newest important cybersecurity news stories like this one. With my insights, you can be better prepared to protect your company, your family, and yourself against these and other cyber attacks. So hit that subscribe button and let's continue learning about this story together. Cyber criminals behind the FluBot Android virus have been tricking users to install the malicious code since October 2021. Fake security warnings about FluBot infections are used by the hackers to convince their victims to download and install the security updates, which are in fact fake and the FluBot. Now we're going to reveal the whole FluBot infection process. It starts off with a malicious URL that is sent to the user in an SMS message. After installing a malicious application is requested when the victim clicks on the link. FluBot is installed once the user downloads and starts that application. Next, FluBot sends the user's contacts to the command and control server after having access to the contact list. Each time FluBot runs, it takes a new list of contacts to the target, or to target. FluBot spreads itself by sending text messages to a new list of targeted contacts. Moreover, its new function called Update Alt Seed is one of the major improvements added in the 5.2 version of FluBot. It enables users to modify the DGA or domain generation algorithm's seed remotely, according to experts at F5 Networks. Once such a command is dispatched, FluBot stores the updated seed inside the shared preferences under the G key. The feature allows operators to elude DNS block lists in an attempt to isolate the command and control infrastructure. As a result of these changes, experts have noted that the DGA process now utilizes 30 top-level domains, unlike previous versions where only 3 domains were used. So, what can we learn? Well, don't click on links in SMS messages is a good start. No legitimate company is sending links in SMS messages for updates or bug fixes. Updates and bug fixes are always displayed through the operating system's updates interface, either through the App Store app, your phone settings screens with a little red bubble alerting you to available updates, etc. Threat actors prey on our fears about getting infected, and they leverage the little amount of space available in an SMS message to trick you into clicking on something you otherwise would not. Once infected, if you have a banking app on your phone, they can overlay their Trojan screen over your real banking app to make it look exactly like the real app. So when you type in your credentials into what you think is the login for your banking app, you're really typing it into their overlay screen from their Trojan. So they get access to your credentials. Match that with the Trojan's ability to capture your incoming SMS messages to grab the two-factor authentication one-time password codes from your bank, and they have complete access to your bank and your money. Now here's a really wild and crazy idea. If you really want to be safe, then don't do anything related to banks, purchases, healthcare, or your children on your phone. Then there's no way hackers can get any of that info from your phone. Then all you have to worry about is your tablet, laptop, or desktop. So why not take the phone out of the equation? Something to think about. With that, I say thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.